GleeFull Over 30 Hormone Support is a dietary supplement designed specifically for women over 30 who are dealing with hormonal changes such as mood swings, hot flashes, bloating, and fatigue. It's priced at around $35 per bottle and is marketed as a natural, hormone-free solution that helps restore balance in the body using a blend of traditional herbs and adaptogens. The company claims that regular use can help reduce menopausal symptoms, improve sleep, stabilize mood, and even support weight management by regulating hormonal fluctuations. The formula includes several well-known ingredients such as black cohosh, dong quai, ashwagandha, maca root, tribulus terrestris, horny goatweed, damiana leaf, ginger, and bioperine for better absorption. Each of these herbs plays a different role in supporting women's health. Black cohosh is one of the few botanicals scientifically shown to reduce hot flashes and night sweats. Dong quai has long been used in traditional Chinese medicine for balancing estrogen levels and supporting menstrual health. Ashwagandha acts as an adaptogen, helping to lower stress hormones like cortisol and improving energy levels. Maca root is believed to boost mood, libido, and hormonal stability, while horny goatweed and tribulus support circulation and energy. Bioperine, derived from black pepper, enhances the absorption of all these nutrients, ensuring the body can utilize them effectively. From a scientific standpoint, while some of these ingredients have shown positive effects in studies, the evidence isn't uniformly strong. Black cohosh has moderate clinical backing for easing menopause symptoms, but most other herbs rely more on traditional use and small-scale studies. That doesn't mean they don't work. Rather, their effectiveness can vary greatly from person to person. The combination of these herbs aims to address multiple hormonal pathways at once, which can be beneficial for women experiencing fluctuating estrogen and progesterone levels. User reviews for GleeFull Over 30 Hormone Support are generally positive. Many women say it helped reduce their hot flashes, improved mood, and made them feel calmer and more energetic within a few weeks. Some users even mentioned weight loss or less bloating after consistent use. However, not everyone had a perfect experience. A few people complained about mild side effects like acne or digestive discomfort, while others said it took too long to notice results or didn't make much difference for them. A few skeptics have also pointed out that no supplement can completely balance hormones, especially during menopause, and that results depend heavily on lifestyle and overall health. Overall, GleeFull Over 30 Hormone Support seems like a well-formulated supplement for women who want a natural way to ease hormonal symptoms. It's not a miracle pill and won't replace medical treatment for serious hormonal issues, but it can be a helpful addition for mild to moderate cases. Given its ingredients, safety profile, and mostly positive user feedback, it does appear to be worth trying, as long as expectations are realistic and it's paired with